tutorial on how to add a formula or an expression to a column. So let's say that we wanted to look at the percent of returns that were audited in column C4 for every state. So the first thing that we would do is we would right click or click with two fingers if you're on a Mac and go to formulas and then assign formula to column. Again, you can also click on the column, go to editor, formulas, and then assign formula to column. You can do it either way you want. So now once you click on that, we need to enter in our expression. As you can see in the packet, I will begin entering the expression now. And there are two ways that you can enter in the expression. If you want to, you can type in the names of the columns that you're using. So I'm typing in audited. Or you can just double click in this little box on the name of the column that you want to do. So I did returns. Now, if you do type it in, make sure that you include the apostrophes around each column name. I like to double click because I find that it's easier and it makes me sure that I don't have any spelling errors, but you can do whatever is preferable to you. Now, once you have this expression entered in, you click OK. As you can see, it adds in the percent of returns that were audited for each state based on the row that it is in. Now, all I need to do is type in %odd to name our column, and now that is complete. So before we do any more work, we want to save what we have done. So to save a session for the first time or to rename an existing file, we need to go to File and then go to Save. We'll do Save Project, as that saves the entire Minitab document, not just the one sheet that we're working on. Do Save Project. And now, an important thing to look at is that when you are on remote desktop, you need to save specifically to your drive, not just the general remote desktop drive. So you need to click on this PC, then click on your specific drive, the one that has your name on it. So mine is JB985, so I will double click there, and now I can save it. And for this sample session 1, we were supposed to save it as state taxes, so I will do that. Once I've named the file, I can click Save, and now it is saved. I will be able to access that on a remote desktop wherever I log in, not just on this computer.